Well, this is the tea tree oatmeal, which melted when I took it out of the mold to give the mold away. I'm making them a little wider so that they will be worth the money. These are very strong tea tree. And soap does shrink a bit when you well, that was too big, but that's just somebody's lucky day. So this is normal. So I'll make it bigger like that so that it's enough of it. Now you could squish this to make it the right shape again. Okay. Well, it's good to get that done. I've already been cutting off pieces to sell when people want to buy it. So it's good to now have it all cut so it can dry. You can see I've sold a lot of this tea tree compared to the other one, even before taking it out of the bag. Okay, well that's that. Bye.